Justin Vakula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast. I'm in downtown Cozumel, mid-December, celebrating Christmas and New Year's 2026, and see a big tree in the center, star at the top, and a lot of Disney characters at the bottom. See Mickey, Minnie, Donald Duck, Goofy, Pluto, and others. Lots of Christmas decorations. See a Santa with 2 ornaments and a backdrop. Lots of candy canes and presents off to this side. Coming around, see a beachfront pretty close to that, and another display over here, Navidad, Cozumel, Christmas, and see more Christmas decorations. Looks like a church, and we have a man to the left here and another building to the right. It's the municipal building. See reindeer, Santa hats, and much more on the building. A main stage on this side with many Christmas gifts and decorations. Clock tower and a door in the center with a wreath. See gingerbread man next to the tree, gingerbread men next to the tree, and the side of a gingerbread house with candy canes. 80 degrees today in mid-December. Nice departure from Pennsylvania for sure. Another side of the municipal building, reindeer and elves in the Santa sleigh. Red ornaments, smaller ones on the bottom and a top, and larger red on this side. Playground over here, and looks to be another stage on this side. Coming through the ornaments, you can see the arches. Another one on this side, white ornament with a red top. Feliz Navidad on the bottom. Get closer to the stage. Looks like some performers or dancers in between a set. See the wise men at the front. And here's some birds in the back. This looks to be a dove on the bottom, and not sure what's ahead, but that was quite a loud call or a cry. With these birds, maybe blackbirds on this side. Pretty cool, different types. We're getting closer to the other stage on this side, and the nativity scene. And there's the call the bird in the back. They have a donkey in the front, and we'll get to see another angle of this scene. Wise men carrying their gifts, and the rest of the manger or nativity scene up here. Coming around to the stage, you can see the curved stairs or seats, and another bird at the bottom. Dove on this side near the trash. Justin Vakula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off. Stay tuned for more content.